What's up YouTube? It's your girl chasing SunRae, and I'm back with another tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to decrease this gorgeous diamond mesh stitch. This video is a part of a series of skill building tutorials where I'm going to show you how to make this stitch, how to decrease and increase it, how to work it in the round, and how to work it in the round while increasing it. All the skill building tutorials in this mesh stitch series will lead up to us creating a beautiful mesh crop shawl. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. We are picking right up where we left off in the how to make the diamond mesh stitch tutorial, where I showed you how to make this stitch. Video link in the top right hand corner if you missed that tutorial. Now we're going to want to start on a row that ended in a single crochet in the chain 3 of the chain 5 space. Please pause the video to read the pattern for this one and only repeat row. So we're just going to chain up 1 and turn our work. And now we're going to slip stitch in the next 2 chains. And then we're going to single crochet in that same chain 5 space. And now we're going to chain 5 and then single crochet in the next chain 5 space. And we're just going to repeat that. So again, chain up 5 and single crochet in the next chain 5 space. And you're going to repeat that all the way until we get to the last chain 5 space. And so here we are coming up on that very last chain 5 space. So we're just going to chain up 5 and single crochet in that very last chain 5 space. And this is what your work should look like. As you can see, it's already starting to decrease just slightly, but you'll be able to tell even more on the next row. As I said earlier, this is just a repeat of row 1, so we're just going to keep working that until we decrease to the size that we want. So again, chain up 1, turn your work, and then you're just going to slip stitch in the next 2 chains. And then you're going to single crochet in that same chain 5 space. And then we're going to chain 5 and then single crochet in that next chain 5 space. And again, that's the repeat. So chain up 5, single crochet in the next chain 5, and continue till you get to the very last chain 5 space. And here we are at that very last chain 5 space. So again, we're just going to chain up 5 and single crochet in that very last chain 5 space. And this is what your work should look like. As you can see, you guys, easy peasy decreasing this beautiful mesh stitch. To continue the pattern, you just keep repeating row 1. I'm going to make 2 more rows so that you guys can see a visual representation of that. If you don't want to stick around to see the visual, be sure to check out my other 4 videos in this mesh stitch tutorial series where we learn to work the stitch in the round and much more. So again, we're just repeating row 1. So of course, we're just going to chain 1 and turn our work. And then we're just slip stitching in the next 2 chains. And then we're going to single crochet in the same chain 5 space. And then we're going to chain up 5 and single crochet in that next chain 5 space. And you just continue repeating that all the way down to the very last chain 5 space. So again, chain 5 and single crochet in that next chain 5 space. And here we are coming up on that very last chain 5 space. So of course we chain 5 and now we're single crocheting in that last chain 5 space. And your work should look something like this. As you can see, you can really tell that it is starting to decrease now. One last time, we're just going to chain 1 and turn our work, slip stitch in those next 2 chains, single crochet in that same chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in that next chain 5 space, and repeat. So again, chain 5 and single crochet in the next chain 5 space till you get to the last one, which we're here now. So again, chain 5 and single crochet in that very last chain 5 space, and your work will look like this. So again, you guys, super easy, super simple. I think that decreasing this stitch was the easiest one of them all, and this is just me working that all the way to the end. Just a little quick time lapse of me just working that until there's only 1 chain 5 left. And that is how you decrease the diamond mesh stitch, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it for you. As I said earlier in the video, this is one of 4 videos in this series where we learn our way all around this beautiful stitch, leading up to creating a gorgeous mesh shawl. I will link the playlist to the series in this video at the top right hand corner once it's completed. But as always, y'all, happy hooking and stay sunny.